أولئك الذين هدى الله فبهداه مقتده قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن هو إلا ذكرى للعالمين.
These prophets were rightly guided by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so follow their guidance. O my Lord, I am unable to pray with high standards as I should do, nor I am able to fast as much as Hazrat Dawud alayhi salam used to. Neither do I have the patience of Hazrat Ayyub alayhi salam, nor I am able to recite the tasbih like Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam did your glorification even in the belly of the fish. Neither do I have the steadfastness like Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam. Neither I can protect my eyes in the same way as Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam did. He even protected his entire existence. Nor do I have the capacity to say, "Go, you all are free," to the ones who hurt me. But, my Lord, I love you from the bottom of my heart like all of them, and I am determined to follow their path.